Yes, for all the audiences. Yeah, now it's good. Hi. Yeah, hello guys.
Hello, everyone.
I'm Irene, partner of 499 Blog and the Rock Fund. And thanks everyone. That was a very insightful panel. And now we can draw the conclusion that for all the users, the top priority is fulfilling their needs and offering friendly user experience. Though practical tools are important, business-level blockchain applications hold actual key to the future. So how we explore user needs and attract more mainstream and corporate users. So coming to the next, we will have a panel featuring Angela Tong. She's sitting next to me. She's a partner of Jinse Finance. And Kevin, co-founder of Consensus Lab. Ethan, VP of Bishijie International Business and Coinnet CEO. Tianyu, CEO of Team Z. And they were having the panel topic for TRON 4.0, a new vision for blockchain media and business level application built with blockchain technology. So now we can go to the first question. The future direction and applications of blockchain are echoed in the upgrade of TRON 4.0, which ranges from the underlying technology to community ecosystem, from DeFi project to business level one-click blockchain deployment, from entertainment to practical tools. So from media insiders' standpoint, how will blockchain technology be applied to traditional industry or even one day-to-day life? So we can go first by Angela Tong, please.
Okay, thank you. We all have experienced the internet era, and the progress of entire internet era almost represents the muted relations of the product in terms of users' experience and users' demand. So blockchain industry is the same, I think, and only the real marketing blockchain will survive. So first of all, blockchain product must respect the core need of users. Stalling does not work well, you know. And second, how to truly combine the brand blockchain concept with business logic and factual business. This circle is long, and there are many uncertain factors, and so we should not only focus on the on how to getting quickly returns from the blockchain. We will see how to like the long-term return. So the third is how to realize the synthesis blockchain. So to break the circle of blockchain, the batteries needs to be loaded. That's my answer. Thank you.
Wonderful answers. So the next one is Kevin. Hi, Kevin. You're the next one.
Hello. Thanks, Irene. Hello, everyone. Yeah, I think regarding the question, the combination of blockchain and traditional industry is well known, such as anti-counterfeiting, source tracing, IoT, etc. So which are more and more real application scenarios on daily life. So, but for most small and medium-sized enterprise owners, not to mention the building blockchain, just the concept has been heard is already confusing to them. So there is still a great distance from the coverage of traditional industry. In the Web 1.0 area, the rapid development of internet users, ecology comes from the improvement of the browser user experience. So the circle breaking through of blockchain also need a convenient and easy use solution to make the blockchain sound less daunting. So it can be seen that the business level one-click blockchain development which launched right now, TRON 4.0, provides enterprise users with a set of solutions for rapid chain building, which is good. Developers can customize development according to their own business scenarios. So development will greatly reduce the technical barriers and development cost of enterprise application blockchain. So I think it will let the blockchain from virtual to real and benefit the industry, which is the TRON active exploration on the road of exploring blockchain industry itself. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, let's go to the next one, Ethan.
Hi everyone, thank you for having me here. I think the massive adoption of blockchain is up to whether there are some killer applications with many active users. In my opinion, there are potential areas could be shaped by blockchain. One thing is the combination between blockchain and artificial intelligence. We know that the machine learning is based on massive data exchange. However, every company and everyone is very protective about their data. And they are very cautious to sell their data. With the introduction of blockchain, we could have a large scale of collaboration. The blockchain technology could benefit privacy protection, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. I really look forward to some massive adoption starting from the artificial intelligence area. Yeah.
Thanks, Ethan. Tianyu, you're the next.
Thanks for having me today. For how well blockchain can cover traditional industries, I think I have almost 4 points I want to share with everyone here. I think point one is definitely traditional industries where corporations need to learn and try to understand what is blockchain. If we want traditional industries to be covered by blockchain technology, those traditional industries or companies, especially the leading ones, I would say, need to pay attention and learn the concepts about what is blockchain, what is cryptocurrency, how could we get benefit from the global blockchain revolution, try to understand how blockchain technology can help us to improve efficiency and productivity, right? And how to connect our business with blockchain. Understanding blockchain is the first step for traditional industry to touch this technology. So this is point one. Point two, I would say case studies is the core. As we all know, blockchain success case studies are still to few. Most of the blockchain application scenarios come from finance industry, which blockchain is good at. Even in finance area, use cases are still too few. If we want more traditional industries start to welcome blockchain technology, definitely that means we need to create more use cases and show that blockchain technology really can make a huge change. Point three is about more professional consulting agencies are needed. There are very few professional blockchain technology consulting companies, which like are 3 at this moment. So in this market, understanding blockchain at the same time can really catch up the pain points of traditional industries. This kind of team are too less. So most of the traditional industries want to welcome and also want to insert blockchain technology, but they don't know how, what is the process. So this moment, the professional blockchain technology consulting team is very important and also is going to be a key for them. And the last point is try to make the cost lower. We all know if we want to add blockchain on our old business model, then we have to pay a lot for the cost. We need to bring blockchain applications to a next level where fully functioning hardware and software are both available. The one-to-one implementation model is good, but it comes with a very high cost. We need to see more one-to-many integration case like SaaS to lower the tech integration cost. So regarding how blockchain technology covers everyone's daily life, I personally feel that it may take a long time to reach this stage. But if the blockchain technology knowledge is mature enough, in fact, it can exist as intangible as the internet. In all aspects of daily life, there's no need for people to discuss what is blockchain is anymore. Just like no one is discussing what is internet today, right? So because it's already reflected in people's daily life. So this is pretty much my answer for this question.
Yeah, thanks, Tianyu, for your brilliant answers. As blockchain technology is applied in a variety of industries, many have turned their eyes to blockchain social networking, hope to find a better alternative to safeguard their data while enjoying the blockchain-based social networking. So what are some of the flaws of traditional social media platforms? Is there any product that perfectly integrate blockchain technology with digital media? What are some other areas that in desperate need of the edge offered by blockchain technologies? Angela, would you like to go first?
Okay, thank you so much. And there are many pain points in traditional social media, such as users' data privacy security cannot granted it, and the users' data rights cannot be maintained. And at present, there is no decentralized social platform with a large user mass. So, however, in this area, explanation, estimate, Chun, and others, these platforms deserves your focus. In addition, when it comes to the future, there will be an area where products needs to be integrated with blockchain technology. And I think it is as an one-to-N field expansion. So this is excited that in the next 5 years, the industry will be dominated by the financial industry and gradually rated to other real industries, including like entertainment, commodity, train capability, and create interventionary. Thank you.
Thanks, Angela. Hey, Kevin, would you like to go next?
Okay, sure. Thank you. As Angela just mentioned, I mean, the pain points of social media are embodied in the sovereignty of personal information and the privacy protection. So the super social platform monopolized the internet traffic and the technology division and grabs high profits. And at the same time, due to users' privacy and the data stored on centralized server, data monopoly and privacy issue emerges in endlesses. It cannot be solved. So this centralized system with unbalanced resource allocation and frequent loopholes is difficult to maintain for a long time. So as far as the current situation is concerned, actually, in addition to using blockchain technology to realize the so-called less trust, more truth. So there is no better solution than blockchain, I mean. So putting a fine tempo to pretty use of the technology of the blockchain, and just mentioned the effect of the centralization internet. So in fact, the application of anti-counterfeiting and traceability cannot fully bring the technology advance of blockchain into full play. So what can really make the blockchain play a role is the integration of blockchain and the internet. It's like combining together. So through the financial attributes of blockchain, the business model of internet products can be complemented, and the reasonable distribution of data value and traffic. These benefits can be realized. So the emergence of the internet has greatly improved the product efficiency So by adding, for example, high technology like 5G, like AI and other technologies, so the perfect combination of blockchain and the internet will achieve the existing social efficiency squares. So the blockchain technology will also become a very important part of the future commercial society. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Kevin. Next one will be Ethan.
Thank you. I'd like to continue the discussion from the standpoint of monetization. I think any media with the monetization model of advertising should consider the use of blockchain. As we can say that the marketplace for online advertising is dominated by the platform. Users do not benefit from the advertising dollars generated by their own behavior. Also, not to mention their works. I have already seen some projects such as BAT and to shift the situation. Let's take some media platform such as TikTok, for example. Most creators do not benefit from the advertising dollars generated from the TikTok, and they have to rely on some middleman to line them up with the advertisers, and that's why TikTok introduced it's called the Star Map to solve the problem. But to be honest, the problem is still there. I think with the algorithm and of blockchain, and the creators can benefit from the advertising, from the revenue directly. It's like coding is law, and everything and the technology infrastructure should be improved, and people will benefit from the revenue. Yeah, that's my answer.
Thanks, Ethan. Looks we only have a few minutes left. So Tianyu, would you like to be the final one to answering the final question? Thank you.
Sure, no problem. If we have enough time to talk about the traditional media's problem, we can continue until next morning. It's basically similar with Angela, Kevin, and also Ethan's idea. So here we are talking about the main problems of traditional media platform. Basically three. Number one is privacy. Everyone mentioned already. The most actually acute problem for traditional social media platforms such as Facebook and Twitter is still luggage and abuse of users' data, 100%. As users, we hate this part a lot. Number two is the bots and fake accounts problems. There are many fake accounts on Facebook and Twitter. These fake accounts are actually doing a lot of scam activities to defraud the users. Number three is passive advertising problem. Passive advertising on traditional social platforms like Facebook has always been the bane of users' experience, right? So if you ask me, is there any product that perfectly combines blockchain and digital media? My answer is no. In my opinion, blockchain media is still at the information giving stage, still not digital enough. But I believe today also the panelists, all the media's partners, we are trying to exploring how to connect media platforms with blockchain technologies and use blockchain technology to make digital media come true. So which area for the next blockchain technologies? I think we can just start from blockchain media. It's a good area to give a try. Yeah, that's my answer.
Thanks for the answers. A big thanks to all our guests for the heated discussion. Business level application is a top receiving great attention in recent years. We hope more companies could join hands in technological research and spring adoption of business level applications. This will further advance the growth of decentralized world and create a healthy environment for blockchain ecosystems. So now I will pass the moderator role to Angela for the next session. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for all the panel guests.